Every day begins the same way: notifications, endless scrolling, and screens that never rest. In the stillness of nature, a different kind of connection awaits: the rustle of leaves, the flow of rivers, the sound of your own breath. Science shows that digital detox in natural spaces lowers anxiety, restores focus, and lets us live in the moment. Even a short walk in the park, leaving your phone behind, can feel like hitting the reset button. Sometimes, the best connection is no connection at all.